Welcome to the October 14th edition of our aviation news review here at News.AirClips.com. I'm Patrick. So what do we start with today? First of all, Hondajet has revealed that they are thinking about producing a new aircraft type. Basically, it looks like a larger sibling of the existing Hondajet. The new concept is called Hondajet 2600, and it is an aircraft capable of carrying up to 11 people on board, including 1 or 2 pilots, transcontinental in the US, or for example from Central Europe to Cairo, on flight level 470. So that's quite an interesting upgrade to the existing Hondajet. So if you consider replacing your Honda Civic, maybe that's an interesting option. Wall Street Journal reports that the 787 may have additional production problems with specific titanium parts being used in the Dreamliner production throughout the past 3 years, being under special scrutiny right now. Now, some optimistic news from both sides of the pond in terms of fleet upgrades. First of all, on the European and Olympic Air reportedly upgrades or replaces their aging Dash 8-400 fleet by ATR72 600 aircraft. The 8 Dash 8 Q400 together with other older Dash 8s and ATR42 form the fleet today. So that's a fleet renewal over there. And then on the other hand side, in the United States, Delta Airlines has announced that it will get additional A350 aircraft into the fleet. And big news from United Airlines with a big planned ramp up of 5 new transatlantic destinations planned for 2022, including interesting routings such as Washington, Berlin, and Chicago, Zurich. So that's a wrap up of our highlights for today. Stay safe and happy.